Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into one of the most iconic luxury cars ever built, the 1960 Cadillac DeVille, finished in a rich and elegant dark brown exterior paired with a matching dark brown interior. This car represents the golden age of American automotive design, a time when cars were bold, dramatic, and built to make a statement. The 1960 DeVille is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling piece of art, combining luxury, size, and unmistakable Cadillac styling. Let's dive in. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1960 Cadillac DeVille is absolutely breathtaking. The dark brown paint gives it a deep, sophisticated presence that feels both classic and timeless. Unlike brighter colors that highlight flashiness, this shade emphasizes elegance and maturity, making the car look even more refined. At the front, you're greeted by a massive chrome grille that stretches wide across the face of the car. The intricate detailing and bright finish contrast beautifully with the dark brown paint, creating a luxurious visual balance. The dual-stacked headlights on each side are a signature design element of this era, giving the DeVille a distinctive and recognizable look. The hood is long and sculpted, extending forward with confidence. Chrome accents run along the edges, catching the light and enhancing the overall premium feel. This is a car that doesn't just sit on the road, it dominates it. From the side, the DeVille truly shows its character. The body is long and flowing, with smooth lines that guide your eyes from the front all the way to the rear. The dark brown color highlights these curves beautifully, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Chrome trim surrounds these fins, making them stand out even more against the dark body color. The white wall tires and classic Cadillac wheel covers complete the look, adding to the vintage charm. And then, of course, there are the iconic tailfins. The 1960 model features some of the most dramatic tailfins Cadillac ever produced. They rise proudly at the rear, adding a sense of flair and personality that defines the era. Every detail on the exterior is designed to impress, from the chrome bumpers to the subtle badges placed around the car. Interior. Stepping inside the 1960 Cadillac DeVille feels like entering a luxury lounge from another era. The dark brown interior creates a warm, rich atmosphere that perfectly complements the exterior. The seats are wide, soft, and incredibly comfortable. Upholstered in premium leather or fabric depending on the trim, they are designed for relaxation rather than support. You don't sit in this car, you sink into it. The front bench seat offers generous space, allowing multiple seating positions and enhancing the overall comfort. The rear bench is just as spacious, providing passengers with a first-class experience. The dashboard is a work of art. It features a sweeping design with chrome accents, elegant controls, and a classic instrument cluster. The gauges are large and easy to read, with a simple layout that focuses on functionality. The steering wheel is large and thin, typical of the era, and designed for smooth, effortless control. It adds to the classic driving experience, reminding you that this car comes from a different time. Door panels continue the dark brown theme, with padded surfaces and chrome handles that feel solid and well crafted. The carpeting is thick, adding to the sense of luxury and comfort. One of the most impressive aspects of the interior is the space. The DeVille offers generous legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for both driver and passengers. It's built for long, relaxed journeys rather than quick commutes. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The 1960 Cadillac DeVille is powered by a 6.4-liter V8 engine, 390 cubic inches, producing around 325 horsepower. For its time, this was a powerful engine, and it gave the DeVille strong performance for a full-size luxury car. But again, this car isn't about speed, it's about smooth, effortless power. The V8 delivers strong torque, allowing the car to accelerate smoothly without feeling strained. Paired with an automatic transmission, gear shifts are soft and barely noticeable, enhancing the overall driving experience. On the road, the DeVille feels like it's floating. The suspension is incredibly soft, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. This creates a ride quality that is smooth and comfortable, perfect for long highway cruises. Steering is light and relaxed, making it easy to handle despite the car's large size. However, it's not designed for sharp turns or aggressive driving. This is a cruiser, built for comfort and elegance. Fuel efficiency is not a priority here, but that's expected from a large V8 engine of this era. The focus is on delivering a premium driving experience. Driving the 1960 Cadillac DeVille is a unique experience. You sit high, surrounded by luxury, with a long hood stretching out in front of you and those iconic tailfins visible in the rearview mirrors. The car moves smoothly and quietly, with a calm and composed demeanor. Every drive feels special, whether you're cruising through the city or taking a long road trip. The suspension does an excellent job of isolating you from the road, and the cabin remains peaceful even at higher speeds. It's the kind of car that encourages you to slow down and enjoy the journey. Price and value. Back in 1960, the Cadillac DeVille was a premium luxury car with a price tag to match. Today, its value depends on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Well-maintained examples can be highly sought after by collectors, especially those with unique color combinations like this dark brown exterior and interior. Owning one today is less about practicality and more about passion. It's about appreciating a piece of automotive history and enjoying a driving experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. So overall, the 1960 Cadillac DeVille in dark brown is a true masterpiece of classic American luxury. The exterior is bold and elegant, the interior is warm and incredibly comfortable, and the driving experience is smooth and relaxing. It's a car that represents an era when design and comfort were the top priorities. If you're a fan of classic cars, the DeVille is one of those vehicles that truly stands out. It's not just transportation, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a piece of history. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. And let me know in the comments, would you cruise in this 1960 Cadillac DeVille today? See you in the next one.